Hello, guys, and welcome back to another live at Voice of Crypto. It is the Bitcoin here, and I hope you guys can hear me. Sorry for the background noise. But before we get into any content, I would love to remind none of this content is a financial advice. You must do your own market research. With that said, let's move into today's topic. Is it Uniswap Under Trouble? That's what we're going to discuss today and have a look at the price action as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and join the Telegram group if you like to be on top of crypto news and what is going on the market. So, with no longer than that, let's go straight away to the BTC price and let's see what's happening out there. So, the Bitcoin price it's currently trading at 17,742, and one more time we came closer to 200 AMA and we managed to bounce back up once more to 70,000 and actually 70,786 to be very accurate with you. So I think Bitcoin is likely to break this resistance. And if you want long it from here, congratulations. Make sure to put your stop loss 15% below, somewhere around 60K thousand. And let's see if we can reach 80K this time, because we've been looking for this resistance level multiple times. And guys, once we break resistance, it is going to go parabolic. And also, we are like 8 days away from the halving. It is coming. It is going to happen. Let's stick to BTC and see what's going to happen next. But if you are trading and holding, I would not personally sell it yet. So moving into Ethereum, it's on the same scene. We came down here, managed to not get stopped as well. So if you are looking into long Ethereum, it is an interesting point. Okay, that's the 4-hourly graph, and it's an interesting point to start longing ETH to $4,000 as well, and even further. I think Ethereum could run a little bit further than that. But once more, we are coming to the support level, we're testing, going to resistance. So it gives me more confidence to say 200 AMA is really flat. So we touch too much the resistance level. We are going to break it at some point. So I remain very bullish on my trades and on my holdings for the next coming days. Moving into today's top news at CoinMarketCap. I've got multiple narratives to share with you today. Let's go to the Bitcoin blue flag. The Bitcoin breaking news. Big break in Hong Kong is set to approve the spot Bitcoin ETF next week, reports indicate. So what that means for the crypto market, one more country is getting into the Bitcoin ETF, and we all know the United States did that, and they were the top ETF from the old time in history. So having this money coming from Hong Kong, it is going to happen, and it's going to help the price of Bitcoin and the entire crypto market into the upside. And we're looking forward to see that, really. And it's very interesting to see big countries, institutions, and corporations getting into the Bitcoin ETF itself. Moving back to CoinMarketCap, today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap. The global crypto market cap is currently at 2.61 trillion, a 1.54% increase over the last day. And 1.54%, it is not that much, but we can see some movements. Fear and greedy index is at 76, pretty much at the same place, right? So people don't know what to do, and it might not be time to act. Maybe just hold as well. As I mentioned, you don't need to catch every trade, but if you do, make sure to do it on the right way. And soon as well, we are going to launch a course, so stay up to date. Get into the Telegram group if you are willing to make the most of the cryptocurrency market. Stick with us, because we're definitely going to show you, and we're going to support the community as much as we can. BTC price currently at 70,726. It is up 0.61% on the 1-hourly chart, 4.12% on the 24-hourly chart, and 6.13% on the 7-day. Okay, Ethereum currently trading at 3,561. On the 1 hour time frame, it is up 0.44%, so it seems to start moving. ETH and 24 hours has been up 3.29% from that previous dip, and the 7 day it's up 6.33%. Okay, so moving back to the latest news on the relating to Bitcoin holding at the Point Telegraph, here we have a comment. 250k Bitcoin. Team Dropper say holding Bitcoin ETF will drive demand. Venture capitalism team Draper believes that Bitcoin remains a vital hedge against defaulting fiated currencies. Renowned venture capitalist Tim Draper says Bitcoin tripling in value in 2024, due to inflows into spot exchange trade funds, ETFs, and looming Bitcoin holding. Speaking to Cointelegraph during Paris Blockchain Week, Draper reiterated his belief that Bitcoin BTC will drastically increase in value, considering several. Maybe we could see two 250k by the end of the year. I mean, it's looking pretty good. Draper said as he reflected on his previous price prediction for 2022. The approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF in the United States has been a critical driving of the renewed interest and capital inflows into the Bitcoin ecosystem. Draper believes that the investment products have opened up a new avenue for the Bitcoin curious investor that might be doped by prospect and holding BTC in self custody, and also serve as a hedge against the devaluation with fiat currencies. I think that it gives people an opportunity to buy some Bitcoin on hold on to it, so that they can take care of themselves when there is a run on a dollar or the euro, even on a British pound as well. We also highlighted the appeal for investors who want their respective fund managers to continue managing their portfolios. Access to Bitcoin ETF allows investors to continue working with Fidelity or JP Morgan and have this new asset class managed as part of the with their investments. To 250k for BTC by the end of this year. That's what we're looking at. During Paris Blockchain Week, we had the pleasure of meeting Tim Draper. We shared the insights into the future of Bitcoin. The future I see is one where if you don't have some Bitcoin to take care of yourself when dollars become, okay, so you can click here and access the tweet. Draper said that Bitcoin finite supply and increasing adoption as a payment option for digital service would increase its appeal to the masses. At the same time, fiat currencies break with inflation and decreased purchasing power. I don't really need to hold on to any fiat currency that decreases in value over time because of political whims or the government spending or politicians that just decide they're going to spend more money and they inflate on your money to a percent. To the venture capital investor, the Bitcoin remains a place rate of security against inflation. Strongly agree with it. I think I've actually started to see the lines cross. People feel more comfortable with the Bitcoin than do with the dollars. I also agree with that. The further of Bitcoin holding, it's also a set to have a significant impact on the market dynamics. The event it's coming up on April 20th. One of that investors should not underestimate, as Draper explained. If you are an investor in the stock market, they say don't be against the Fed. If you are a Bitcoin buyer, don't be against the holding. It changes everything. The supply shrinks, the demand increases, and the price goes up. That's natural economics, supply and demand, Draper said. The venture capitalist also retained his belief that having single-digit percent exposure to Bitcoin is becoming a more attractive means of hedging against the rising concern over bank failure and the devaluing sovereign currencies. None of this content is a financial advice. As you know, you should definitely do your own research. But I like to address as well that BTC is the most and more accurate place to keep your funds. Not financial advice, as I mentioned, but that's what I personally do. Don't like to keep any cash, especially during the circumstances we are facing right now in our world. Um, Moving back to CoinMarketCap, let's have a look on Uniswap. Uniswap is being at some trending questions and things on tweet today, but you know, I don't feel like it's anything dangerous going on, or it might not be, but that's something that we are going to see in the next coming days. The latest news at Uniswap. Uniswap it's under regulatory fire. The SEC lawsuit triggers 13.85% of the unit price drops. Okay. So as we all know, the SEC is always looking into something else in our industry. So be careful, let's just wait and see what's going to come out from that. Before that, I'm not going to do anything, or I'm not scared of Uniswap. I still believe that a very, very interesting project, and it's currently trading at 9.29 and it's down 13.96% on a daily. It might be an interesting buying opportunity for you if you're looking into long. When we have kind of chaos, it's the best time to get inside trades or investments. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for opportunities to buy and sell when things happen. Okay. Today, the top gainer is Jasmine Coin, currently at 2 cents. So that's very, very cheap. I'm not very familiar with the blockchain project itself, but has been up 19.95% on the past 24 hours. Neo is at second place today, currently trading at 23.31 and is up 19.71%. We have Tao on a third place, and we know that Tao has done incredibly well for these past days, and it's literally at 714.34. Actually surpassed BNB token as well, and is up 16.94%. We have Enna back here, and if you did receive the airdrop, you probably banking at this point. Guys, do not miss our Telegram, because there is news about airdrops, about everything that you want to know. Is literally free money to the industry and to the community people. Okay, so you don't want to miss that. We have Big Get token as well, moving a little bit, currently trading at 1.35 and it's up 10.17 on the past 24 hours. Dogecoin seems to be moving, currently up 6.80%. Dog with a hat, no, is coming back probably, and I'm still on my longing. Can even show you. Let's go to the screen and let's look for dog with the hat. Dog with the hat, USDT. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We broke that descending triangle. 1 second. The matrix is a dropping link today. So let's go to dog with the hat, USDT. I think dog with the hat has a lot of upside still, okay? And here is the chart. So if we go to the daily, it's looking a little bit bearish on a daily, but don't be fooled, okay? This thing moves like crazy. If you go to the 1 hour, you can see that we created this flat momentum, and it's looking to go up once more. So all the support phase has been formed and is looking to go up once more. If we measure the previous bump to the next one, which is going to start to happen shortly, that would leave us somewhere around 6.0, 5.90, something like that, for the next coming pumps at dog with hat. And if you are trading these meme coins, be careful, because they move really, really crazy and really heavy. So you do want to make your own research before getting into anything. But coming back to the top gainers and losers, today's top losers currently Nevers Network has been down 18.05%. So whatever is down 18% to 20%, just catch it on a best opportunity and long, because that's what we're looking for. We're looking to buy the dip and sell the top, not doing the opposite. Never, ever, ever. Not financial advice, but that's what I personally think. We have Uniswap today. We got in this SEC issue, and it's down 40.97 on the 24-hour here on CoinMarketCap. But, it is an interesting place to buy. Trust, and, you have to buy and leave it. Just let the thing run itself sometimes. We have this W token that is 4.78% down on the past 24 hours. So apart from this one, it's nothing special really. Before we get into anything else, let's go to crypto bubbles, to the weekly, as I like to see. So today, the better pick, I would say, would be Uniswap, APT, W token, Render a little bit, so Core and Jupiter. Okay, whatever is down almost and nearly 20%, it is what we're looking for. And don't forget to join the Telegram if you like to know everything that is happening on the industry. We are working hard here to deliver the best of everything for you. And I hope you make a nice trade. And let's see, Bitcoin halving is coming. Let's watch the show. And I'll see you guys tomorrow at Voice of Crypto.